Is your Ninja Swirl handle hard to press? Or way too loose? If it feels stuck, shaky, or just not right, here's how to fix it without breaking anything. Step 1. Unplug the machine before inspecting the handle. Always cut power first. The handle controls the swirl press, so you don't want the motor running while you're checking for issues. Step 2. Check for dried mix in the handle mechanism. If sticky ingredients or frozen bits get inside the handle or swirl press track, it can cause stiffness or resistance. Lift the handle fully, disassemble the top cover if needed, and clean out any residue. Step 3. Look underneath for misaligned parts or debris. Turn the unit around and check the base of the handle mechanism. Sometimes buildup near the locking tabs or swirl channel can make the handle feel jammed or uneven. Step 4. Make sure the swirl press is seated correctly. If the press is even slightly misaligned, the handle may not lower smoothly, or it could feel too soft. Remove and reinstall it carefully. You should feel light resistance followed by a solid click. Step 5. Avoid forcing the handle if it's stiff. Forcing it down when something's blocked could damage the internal gear or press track. Let the unit sit at room temperature for a few minutes, clean it out, then try again gently. If the handle still doesn't feel right, you may have a warped press or worn internal part. Ninja support can help. Links in the description if you need a replacement or further assistance. If this helped smooth things out, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for quick appliance fixes that actually work. And if you're dealing with sticky mix residue, we've linked a food-safe brush set below, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach handle areas. Thanks for watching, and press with care.